Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this if and then problem as you can see over here. If A equals to 20, 21 and B equals to 12, 0, 2, then find the value of A plus B times A square plus A times B plus B square divided by A cube minus B cube. And moreover, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and let's focus on this part on the left hand side first. And here I have just copied it down. And now let's focus on the denominator part, this one, A cube minus B cube. And we will be using this difference of 2 cube formula as you can see over here. So thus this expression could be written as the numerator is gonna stay same. I'm gonna just leave everything as it is, a square plus ab plus b square, and then divided by, this is going to become simply a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now we can see that this numerator, this part and this part, they cancel each other out. So we ended up with simply a plus b on the top and a minus b at the denominator. And now we know that our a value is 20, 21 and our b value is 12, 0, 2. We can just simply fill in the blanks. So we can just write it 20, 21 plus 12 or 2 divided by 20, 21 minus 12, 0, 2. So thus our simplified answer is going to be simply 3223 divided by 819. And here's our simplified answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.